Hey everybody, thank you for tuning into this video today. If you're watching in real time or recent time, I guess you would say, not in the future, I would like to say happy holidays. I believe this video drops on Christmas Eve, so I hope everybody gets a break from work, gets to spend time with family and friends, eat some good food, and of course, watch some great beard videos. And I'd like to introduce myself. My name is DanCBearded. If you're new here, hey, I cover everything related to facial hair I possibly can, and I take great pride in what I do. I would highly encourage you to check out the other videos, tune into live streams, and if it seems like a good fit for you, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber and you're coming back, thank you for coming back again. And to everybody, if you like this, please hit a thumbs up. It does help out. Now, we are back with the company that, and I got a little stocking here, 'tis the season, that I like to call either BABC or the Bad Donkey Beard Care Company. And the reason why I call them that is because if you don't know, I am a middle school history teacher, and I try not to say any words that I would not be able to say in the classroom because I could have my boss watching, parents watching, students watching, and I know it's not a big deal. And some people say, hey, that's fine. Some people say it's not. It's just a personal preference thing because somebody always comments on that. So I want to make sure I throw that out there. I absolutely love this company. I've covered several videos on them, covered them even before I ever talked to the company or the owner. I really enjoy what they do, and I love what they stand for. This is a veteran-owned company and a veteran-employed company. The owner, Charlie, hires veterans to work. They have a legit facility. They do some awesome things, and I love what's going on. I have some updates for you guys today. First couple of things that we have is we have two changes to two different, 2-cent changes, we'll say it like that. The first one we'll go over is the Patriot. So the big change with the Patriot is they took out patchouli and added leather. Now, I don't know if that has anything to do with me or not, but I am not a fan of patchouli and I really enjoy leather. So, hey, bravo, big fan of this. It was used to be more of kind of like an earthy and almost to me like kind of in that hippie vibes when you get into the patchouli, to now it's much more of a cologne scent. So this one is nice. It definitely has that cologne zip or bite to it. It definitely has some sweetness to it, but it's very manly, very date night like. For me, really nice upgrade when you get to the switching out patchouli and adding in leather. Well done, well done. Then the other one is the original, and I've worn both of these a good 5 or 6 times now. And the original stayed the same with what it has. They just wanted to add more complexity and layers to it, and they added bourbon. Now, I am generally not a bourbon scent fan. I don't like those really pungent alcohol ones that tickle the nostrils and like, whoo, what you been drinking? But it did not do that with this. I did not get anything that is real harsh or real alcohol smelling. It just adds a nice like, what is that kind of layer? And to me, when bourbon is done well, it almost gives it kind of like a caramel sweetness smell. And that's 100% what I get out of this. And the profile on this one is sandalwood, which again, I'm not a huge fan of. This one's an interesting one for me. Sandalwood, bourbon, and then vanilla, and I believe it's that vanilla that really smooths it out, gives it that sweetness. I enjoy it. Is my favorite offered by them? No, absolutely not. Is it in the top 3 or 4 from them? No, but I do not hate it. I do not despise this one at all. And for me, I would tell you guys, usually when I have something like clove or even sandalwood or even bourbon, I'm like, oh, no, just not the biggest fan. And let me hit you with the full profile on the Patriot as well. Cedarwood, leather, black pepper, sandalwood, lemon, tea tree, eucalyptus, rosemary. Yeah, there's a lot going on there. It all comes together for that really nice cologne. So 2 changes to the scents that they have. I also have both of those in butters. I would like to hit on the butters real quick. I've talked about it before. We're in the Michigan winter right now, so we don't have to worry about this. But with the butters, I love that they put the stickers on there to let you know in case it is melted and you open up, and you lost half the product or you ruin a shirt. It just lets you know. Their butter is very smooth. It does not have wax, and I'm cool with wax. When a butter is done well, small, low ratios of wax can be good. I like to have both in my rotation. If I use a butter that has wax, I always feel like I need to wash it out the next morning. When I don't want to wash the next morning and I want to do a rinse day, I go with a butter like this that's really smooth, really easy in beard, and I do not feel that I have to wash it out the next day. So great matching butters as well. And then 2 other things that we have to talk about with some updates from this company. Bar none, zero competition in the world of their travel bags. I believe I've already made 2 videos talking about their travel bags, but I travel a decent amount. We are campers, right? We have a travel trailer, glampers, I guess you could call it. And I've had the opportunity to travel places for different things like beard barber expos and beard competitions and stuff. I've never gone on a trip and not taken their travel bag. It is the best for many reasons, and they did make one slight change to it, which I'm very happy with. On the back here, they added on the outside this zipper pocket, so you can have things that are accessible, especially when you're traveling, if it's a carry-on for when you're on a plane, something like that. Really nice. Was this something that was like a big-time deal breaker for me, where I was like, man, I wish there had this back zipper pocket? No, it never even crossed my mind. But when they told me they were adding it, I was like, that makes sense. That makes sense. That's cool. Now, what I love about this is it is really, really nice. First and foremost, lifetime warranty. If anything goes wrong with this, oh, I got my stickers in there. They also have really great stickers, you guys. So if you like, if you're a big sticker person, I am not. I just usually have a drawer of them, and then somebody reaches out like, hey, man, you got any stickers? I'm like, oh, yes, I do. So they do have pretty good stickers too. But lifetime warranty. If anything goes wrong with this, they will replace it for free, 100% here. This bad boy, my favorite aspect is that it is padded. This thing is really nice, really thick, and all of the pockets and all the designs on the inside are specifically designed for beard products. Their beard butters fit perfectly in the beard butter containers that you have, or the beard butter pockets, whatever you want to call them. Show you guys here. Go in all the way down there. Their beard oils have beard oil slots, if I can find them properly here. And you just have the different things inside here that just absolutely work out perfectly. Okay, let me show you guys what the oil looks like inside of its slot here. It is designed for beard products, okay? Another one that I'm gonna show you guys in a second also fits perfectly inside of here. You zip that bad boy up, you got the little holder, you can put a little clip on there, you're good to go. Has genuine leather on the outside with their logo, leather running along the zipper. It is just pure quality. And a cool feature that they have is you can buy these and load them on the website, and there's discounts involved. I don't know exactly all the details. And price-wise, I do believe I have a discount. It's not an affiliate, no kickback, no commission on sales or anything like that. Even though I would be open to that in the future, wink, wink, it wouldn't change anything. I love this company that much. But I believe it is DanC10. I will verify and I will put the correct one in the description, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is DanC10. So this fits in here as well. You guys, it is just the best bag, just the best travel bag. But like I was saying, you can order this on their website and get it loaded. What that means is you can buy it by itself, or you can add in a beard butter and you save something. You can add in a beard oil and butter and you save something. You can add in a beard wash, and it's all based on discounts the more you put into that bad boy. I think you can load it up to like $1,000 worth of stuff that's in there, including I think like their caddies. They have similar deals and stuff. There's so many cool things happening. All right, let's get to the big one. What do I have here? This is a bottle that I've had for several months now, and this was their tester beard conditioner. They've had awesome beard washes. Actually, my favorite stripping beard washes from this company. I talk about it time and time again. They have a great wash that is for your body, for your beard, for your hair. It does everything. But the one glaring hole in their lineup, they had the oil, they had the butter, they had the wash, was a conditioner. And I know they heard it. I know they heard it loudly and they heard it clearly, and they now have a beard conditioner. At the time of filming this video, I'm just a few days out from it dropping. I was filming in advance. It is not listed on their website yet. I know they wanted to have it up by mid-December, but I could not find it. So it is either going to drop at the time of this video, or it will be in the near future. Stay tuned. If there's an update, I'm sure the owner will leave a comment on the video here. And I know a lot of you see their ads on YouTube videos, or at least I do. And that is their owner, Charlie, that you see in there. Their beard conditioner is all natural, and it is fantastic. It is light in beard, and it does two main things that I need out of a beard conditioner. The most important for me is it gets rid of the tangles. Use the conditioner in the shower. I highly recommend using a comb in the shower while you're using the conditioner. That really works together as a combo, so you don't have any tangles or snags when you get out of the shower. And then the second thing is it does soften your beard. Now let me clarify what I mean by softening your beard with conditioner. If I use a stripping wash, or if I use any wash, oftentimes my beard is going to feel kind of like straw, kind of like hay. My hand's not going to run through it easily, and it just feels like the texture is off, or just feels like it's rough. That's intended. You need to do that. You need to strip your beard from time to time. You need to get everything off there. But what a good conditioner can do is kind of bring it back to that state that you like. The feel of it, to run your fingers through it, it just feels not as harsh again. Theirs does that in a great way. It's not too heavy where it leaves like a film or a coating behind. It's not too light where it feels like it didn't do anything. It's right in the middle. It's all natural. It's right on brand for them. And they've worked on this for quite some time. This was not something they rushed. This was not something they just bought from China. They wanted to make sure they did it right. For me, all of these upgrades and improvements are exciting, but the number one most exciting is another fantastic beard conditioner that I get to add into my regular rotation and lineup, all right? Let me collect my thoughts for 2 seconds here, check my notes, make sure I get all my sources, and essentially, let's get a conclusion. Let's wrap it up here, and I could use your help down in the comments. If you could type your comments for me, I would greatly appreciate that. Number one, on the surface, when you hear these things, what do you think about the upgrades? Do those scents sound better? Are you excited about the bag? Have you had one of their bags? Let me know down below. And then especially, what about the conditioner? Are you gonna give it a shot? I know that there's a lot of people that have been asking about this company and their conditioner. Well, boom, I've been able to try it. I've had to keep it kind of secret, but it's really exciting to finally get this out to you guys. And finally, what is your thoughts on this company? What are your experiences with this company? They have one of the best customer service communications and policies in the beard industry. Their website says that they get orders processed, packed, and shipped within 2 days, meaning it's getting to the post office from there. Who knows how long it's going to take some of the time around this time of year, you know what I mean? But they are very quick. They have people dedicated to customer service that are going to respond to your messages, your emails. I've never heard a bad word about their customer service, and I get to hear from everybody. If there is a problem, people tell me, trust me. There's been nothing but raving reviews about the customer service and professionality of this company. So let us know. What do you like from this company, scent-wise, product-wise? Was there something that wasn't for you? We want to hear all perspective. Of course, just make sure it's from a respectful lens, but we want you to be able to share your opinions, helping out potential consumers or returning customers. I appreciate it, guys. Excited to check out these comments. Thank you for watching today. DanCBearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.